Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something I know a lot of you have run into: how to get your data out of a clunky, crowded spreadsheet and into a seriously powerful and organized database. So, let's just dive right in.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You've got this gigantic Excel file, maybe it's a CSV, with just thousands or maybe even millions of rows. It takes forever to open, searching for anything is a total nightmare, and you just know one wrong move and the whole thing is going to crash. It feels fragile, like it's about to just burst at the seams. Okay, so think about it like this. Your spreadsheet, that's like a giant cardboard box just stuffed with comic books. Yeah, they're all in there somewhere, but finding a specific issue is a huge pain. A SQL database, on the other hand, is like a high-tech digital library for those same comics. Everything is perfectly cataloged, indexed, and you can find exactly what you need in seconds. It's where the real magic happens.
All right, so that's the quest, right? We need to get our awesome data collection out of that messy cardboard box and onto the shelves of that shiny new library. The big question is, how do we actually pull it off? So you get to the entrance of this awesome data library, and what do you see? There are two main doors, two different paths to get your information inside. Now, here's the cool part. Both of them lead to the exact same destination, but the journey you take on each path is totally different. So path number one, we're going to call the coder's path. This one involves learning just a little bit of the library's secret language, so you can give it direct instructions. Now, this might sound a little intimidating at first, but stick with me, because it's actually super powerful. With this method, you're basically walking right up to the librarian and you hand them a perfectly written note. This note tells them exactly where your box of comics is and exactly which shelf they belong on. The librarian glances at the note and poof, it's done, just like that. It is unbelievably fast and precise. So, how's it work? Well, it's really just 3 logical steps. First, you prepare the shelf. That means you create an empty table in your database that's a perfect match for the columns in your file. Second, you write the instructions. That's your command. And third, you give the order. You run that command, and the database just does all the heavy lifting for you in the flash. And this is what those instructions look like. I know. It looks like code. But let's just break it down. It's really just a simple sentence. You're just telling it, copy into my table, get the data from this specific file, and oh, by the way, it's a CSV file with a header. See? It's just a direct, clear instruction. And the best part? You can use it over and over again. Okay, but what if you're thinking, I am not writing code? Don't worry, there's another way. This is the Navigator's path, and this one is all about that friendly point-and-click journey where your mouse is your best friend. To go back to our library, taking this path is like walking in and seeing a simple touchscreen kiosk right by the door. No secret languages, no special handshakes needed. You just tap a few buttons on the screen and it walks you through the entire process, step by step. Super easy, super intuitive. And almost every database tool has a visual interface for this. I mean, look how simple this is. You literally just find your table in a list, you right-click on it, you hit import, then a little window pops up, you tell it where your file is, maybe check a box or two, click OK, and that's it. You're done. Your data is in. So let's put them side by side. Which one should you pick? Well, the coder's path requires a basic command, but it is amazing for automation or for moving really, really large files. It's precise. The Navigator's path, on the other hand, just needs your mouse, and it's perfect for those quick one-off jobs. It's all visual and friendly. There's no better one here. They're just different tools for different situations. So, why are we even talking about this? Why does it matter? Because of this right here. A mind-blowing 90% of all the data in the entire world was created in just the last 2 years. That is a tidal wave of information. And being able to take that information, to get it out of the messy box and into the organized library, that is a modern-day superpower. And just like that, you've done it. It doesn't matter if you were a coder or a navigator. The end result is exactly the same. Your data has arrived safe and sound. It's out of that bursting box, and it's sitting neatly on the shelves of your incredible digital library. Look, at the end of the day, it's not about which path you took. The really important thing is that you now know how to get your data into a better place. You got it organized, secure, and ready for the really fun part: digging in, asking questions, and finding some answers. And that's really the big question, isn't it? Your data is finally in the library. It's clean, it's organized, it's searchable, it's powerful. So the only thing left to ask is, what secrets are you going to unlock?